You are misrepresenting the facts, which is a direct violation of the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act. What is misrepresenting the facts and why do insurance companies do this? We're here with Chris. Here's here somewhere in the Batcave. Oh, there you are. I couldn't see you. Chris, welcome, my friend. What are we talking about today and why is it so important related to property insurance claims?
Yeah, this is actually extremely important. So one of the
Yep.
topics we brought up in the past was um, hopefully that in so many words, we'll have a unilateral federal unfair claims settlement practices act across every single state. That's going to be universal, but in this case, it's Colorado.
Right.
Colorado likes to protect their consumers, and one important piece of their unfair claims settlement practices act is misrepresenting the facts. Basically, you can't do it in so many
Right.
words. So
Yeah.
it's extremely important.
And it is. And so a lot of times insurance companies or their representatives, if it's an engineer, if it's an independent adjuster, if it's a staff adjuster, if it's just one of their vendors, whoever it might be, will tell you something that's not true. Weird, right? And so it's one of those things that's in the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act that says, hey, insurance company, you can't do that. And these types of rules and sometimes laws are adopted by the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, and each state has an insurance commissioner. And in the state of Colorado, our rules, sets of guidelines, rules, and laws might look different than the state next to us, or say in
Mhm.
Texas or Florida or Minnesota, whatever it might be. They might look different. So that's what Chris was talking about at the very beginning is, would there be a federally mandated version of this? If so, I think it would really protect consumers.
Mhm.
There's it's a double-edged sword. You don't want to go too far where insurance companies are like, well, we can't even do business. But you don't want to go too far the other way where all the consumers are getting screwed over. And right now, there's a senator from, I think it's Missouri, that is grilling the insurance lobbyists and CEOs and adjusters and engineers for doing the wrong thing. And they're doing this a lot more often. Maybe we're in the industry and we see it a lot, but man, one of the biggest things is they're misrepresenting the facts. You are misrepresenting the facts, which is a direct violation of the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act.